Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to freeze your Revolut card. Freezing your card is quick and to stop unauthorized payments if it's lost, stolen or temporarily misplaced. Open the Revolut app, then go to the home screen from the bottom menu. Tap the card icon in the top right corner of the dashboard of the Revolut app, then select the card you want to freeze. All you have to do now is tap Freeze. While frozen, all card payments like online and in-store will be blocked, means you cannot use the card anymore while it is frozen. To unfreeze your card and use your card again, simply follow the same steps above, then tap and freeze. But that way, you can regain access to your Revolut card by tapping and freeze. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.